BURU stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Nuburu, it's already 15 cents, 4.2% down or whatever. Honestly, I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately with Nuburu, well, from my previous bearish perspective, we have definitely reached the lows. So the previous low is we're just gonna go to the newest lowest point. And all with that to say is that like, it's still in a supply range, like in a bearish range. I'm very much despise this sort of, pretty much hate, this sort of market condition and environment, purely because it's really not something that I'm willing to trade. One is because in this sort of environment, it's really just choppy. I mean, I have not performed as well. And why would I pick an environment where I'm not performing as well when I can definitely wait for the better environment, right? So in this case, yeah, it is a bearish range for me. The only time where I'm going to consider something bullish is if I see a full candle close above 19 cents. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.